All right, here we go. The first episode of the Mean 16 here on my Patreon page. And the first up that we're going to do is the 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I'm excited to start this series. So let's get this thing busted apart and let's get her stripped down and get on it. Okay, so we got it all polished up to a decent shine there. Kind of washed off, degreased. We're going to go antifreeze. Okay, we're going to do our normal clear coat concoction here. This is a 2-to-1, 2-part clear, 1-part hardener, and gonna Spectre Flame tint. And I like to tint heavy. I know this stuff ain't cheap, but it does keep you from having to really coat to get your color. So we're gonna mix this all up and get over in the paint booth. Okay, now we're going to deal with this base. What I got to do is I got to put some axle tubes in there. Use some 3/32 K&S aluminum tubing. Cut them to size. Need to get them placed in there. Get them all glued up. There we go. This last one in here. And we'll get some activator sprayed on there. Getting down to a little bit of that. Okay, obviously with that activator, that is quick. Got some big reel riders that go on the rear. Just press those in. And she rolls. Now I've got the body taped off. I'm going to two-tone this. I'm going to go flat black right along that body line. Use some Tamiya masking tape. It's good stuff. Conforms pretty good. Seals pretty good. I like it. Works for me. So let's hit the bait booth. Probably not going to show that. It's just boring painting. So when I come back, that'll have some black. Okay, I got all the pieces, and I went ahead and did the interior in a black. At the same time that I two-toned it. Being this is a fairly new car, the glass is, I don't really need to touch that. We got the base, got the wheels in, so we'll get her together and put her on the turntable. Okay, this is what we started out with. This was the Cougar Eliminator straight out of the package. And this here is what we finished up with. I did a little bit of detailing on the front and the back. The back side, I put some rear tail lights. Kind of darkened in on the back side of that spoiler there. Even though that's a solid piece, darkened in the tailpipes. On the front side, did the hood clips. Blacked out the grill, put some turn signals on there. So I think she turned out pretty sharp. I want to thank you for watching this first episode of the Mean 16 right here on my Patreon page. And I want to dearly thank you for being a patron. And I think I'm going to leave you off here with a little Burnout.